Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to change your background in Zoom, right on your PC. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fast tech tips. All right, let's jump in. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer. Click your profile picture up top, then hit Settings from the dropdown. Go to the Video and Effects tab, easy to find. Now, click Virtual Background on the right. You'll see some cool default options from Zoom. Pick one that suits you. If you've got a personal image, click the plus icon, select Add Image, and choose a file from your PC. Once it's added, you're good to go. Test it out. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Zoom background. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.